What if I told you? The ocean's most fearless predator once gave up completely. Because of something that wasn't even real? Sounds impossible, right? A creature built for speed, for survival, for dominance, brought to a halt by something it couldn't even see. Let me take you to a simple experiment that revealed how powerful and dangerous our invisible limits can be. A marine biologist once placed a young shark in a huge glass tank. But inside that tank, he added an invisible glass wall. The shark attacked with full force. Bam! It hit the barrier. Again, bam! Another hit. More pain. More confusion. After dozens of failed attempts, the shark finally gave up. It accepted the barrier as a permanent limit. Weeks later, the biologist removed the divider. Now the shark had the entire tank. The fish swam freely. But the shark? It stayed in its tiny corner, moving only within the limits it believed were real. The wall was gone, but the belief remained. You must have come across the similar elephant story. A fully grown elephant powerful enough to uproot a tree stands calmly tied to a thin rope. No chains, no locks, just a simple rope. Yet it doesn't run, doesn't resist, doesn't question. Why? Because when it was young, that same rope was strong enough to hold it. It tried, it fought, it pulled, and every attempt ended in failure. Eventually, the baby elephant accepted one belief. I can't break this. It grew older, larger, stronger, but that old belief stayed. Now the rope doesn't hold the elephant. Its mind does. We humans are not very different. One failure, one rejection, one embarrassing moment, one person telling us, you can't. And suddenly, we shrink our dreams to the size of that moment. We stay in jobs we've outgrown. We stay in patterns that hurt us. We stay in fears we never rechecked. We stay in mental tanks far smaller than our actual potential. Not because the limits are real, but because we believe they are. The shark was free. The elephant was strong. But their minds were still trapped in yesterday. The chains fall away, yet the echoes of those chains keep holding you back. Challenge them. Test them. Break them. Because the shark and the elephant, like us, aren't held by barriers, but by the lingering shadow of a limit long erased.